If you're stuck in your online business right now, working harder than ever, selling something you believe in, but revenue just won't break through, well, you're not alone. One of our clients came to us exhausted and frustrated. Great product, loyal customers, strong reputation, but every month the same $18,000 in revenue. They weren't failing, but they weren't growing either. And here's what hurt the most. They had no idea what to fix. They were running ads, testing new platforms, spending money, but it all felt scattered, reactive, like throwing darts in the dark at something that just wouldn't stick. Sound familiar? Well, that's where most businesses get trapped. Not from the lack of effort, but from lack of a clear digital marketing system in place. When we started working together, we didn't just spend more on ads. We stepped back and built a strategy around how revenue should grow. We started with a controlled testing phase, no ego, no guesswork, no scaling before we were ready, just clarity. We identified what messaging actually resonated, what customers responded to, where real buying intent lived. The first month, still $18K, but now we had something they had been missing: data, direction, and focus. Month 2 jumped to $35,831. Month 3 hit $51,892, and then everything shifted because we weren't guessing anymore. We were scaling what was proven. By month 4, revenue had crossed $107,200. Month 5, $127,574. Month 6, $120,202. In just 6 months, they generated $461,191 in revenue. This wasn't luck. This wasn't a viral moment or a secret hack. This was intentional strategic scaling. Instead of spreading their budget thin, we focused on what actually drove profit. Instead of targeting everyone, we targeted buyers with real intent. Instead of running generic campaigns, we leaned into what made them different. That clarity changed everything. Most business owners think the answer is more traffic, more ad spend, or more platforms. But growth doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the things in the right order. This client didn't need a new product. They didn't need a rebrand. They needed a structured system, a clear process for positioning, targeting, and scaling strategically. That's it. If you're stuck in the 15 to 40K range per month and it feels like you've hit a wall, it's not because you can't scale, it's because you don't have the right digital marketing system in place. And that's exactly why I created the free Revenue Roadmap Guide. Inside the guide, we walk you through the same foundational process we used to help this client break through their ceiling and scale predictably. The same process we developed through years of research and have successfully used time and again to help our clients grow. No fluff, no hype, just clarity. If you want to identify where your growth is actually stuck and what to fix first, go to alineabusiness.com and download the free guide. Because here's the truth. Once you have clarity, scaling stops feeling chaotic and starts feeling inevitable.